My name is Urmila Nivangune and today's topic is string in Java. Today's date is 27th of December 2021. So let's start with our topic, that is string. Basically, string is nothing but a sequence of characters. As we create a character array in Java, just like that, but string concatenates all the characters of array, and this is known as string. There are two ways to create a string. First is by literals and second one is by new keyword, by using new keyword. So in other hand, string is a class of Java. String is predefined class. That's why when we write string keyword in our program, we always write s strings first letter, that is s, as capitals, and this is a rule to declare or define a name of class. It is called as camel case notation. In order to get string class in our program or in our class, we have to declare it in a header section. That means we have to import that class in a header section. Instead of importing a single class, we can directly import the package in which that class is defined, or that class is present. String class is present in java.lang package, and that lang package is by default. That means when we don't write java.lang package or don't import that package, uh, Java, see, that is compiler of Java, automatically takes that package. So we don't require to write or to import string class. So there are two types by which we can declare string. First one is literal, and by using literal, and second one is by using new keyword. When we use literal and declare or define a string, then the memory get allocated on scp. Scp stands for string constant pool, and our string get memory on scp. But if we write second string by same value, that means our first string contains any specific value, and we write second string and that second string contains same value as of first string, then scp ignores or do not create new object for that. Instead of creating new object, it references the value to that second variable or second string. And by using a heap, when we create string by using new keyword, then two copies of that string get created. one copy gets on one copy gets on one copy gets on scp, and second copy placed on heap. Then there are too many methods on which we can perform uh, on string. Just like two-char array. Two-char array method is used to separate the characters of string and present it into a array. Then length method is used to uh, get length of string, that means how many characters are present in a string. Then to uppercase to lowercase, that methods converts our string into uppercase whether it is present in lowercase, and vice versa. Then substring method is used to derive a string derive a substring from our original string. There are two types of that substring method. One is with single argument, and second one is two arguments. That is for single argument, it's in argument we have to write beginning point. From that beginning point, rest of string will get defined or displayed. That is our substring. And second substring method is start and end. We can display the substring between start point and end point. Also, there are too many methods in string. Thank you.